It's almost grocery day and you still have a few vegetables left in that veggie drawer that you didn't utilize and you don't know what to do with them. Well, don't throw them out because you can make a great meal from those vegetables. First, we're going to start out with some canola oil, and I used probably about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Turn your stovetop eye or your burner onto low to medium. I sliced 3 small yellow potatoes and half of a yellow onion. And if you want to follow along with me, because this was good stuff, my husband loved this, then we are going to throw those potatoes and onion in that skillet, and we are going to fry these just like you were frying home fried potatoes. If you're not allergic to pork like I am, you could use bacon grease in this and it would be so good. We're going to put some more veggies in this pan, but first we're going to fry these potatoes. And if you want them to have a little flavor, you just need some seasoned salt and some Cajun seasoning. I love this Tony Chachere's no salt Cajun seasoning, and I'm going to be a little generous with this, but the seasoned salt I went a little light on because we're going to stir these up and then I'm going to coat them again. Don't go away. This is not spicy. This just had a nice flavor to it. I did put a lid on this for maybe about 10 minutes just to soften those potatoes. You don't have to do that. I was just pressed for time and needed to speed the process along. And I do not like to bite into a raw potato. I mean, who does? And although we're frying these, we don't want to get these completely done because we're going to be cooking these potatoes longer and you don't want them to turn to mush. We are going to add about 3/4 of a cup of shredded carrots. Let's give this a stir. Add 1 sliced red bell pepper. You can do green, you can do yellow. This is just what I had. Add 1 package of sliced kielbasa. That's a 13-ounce package. 1 heaping teaspoon of minced garlic. Now let's turn our stovetop down to simmer, and we are going to add about a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Anywhere from a 1/2 cup to 1 cup. I cubed a 1/2 of a small head of cabbage and just laid that right on top. Make sure your stovetop eye is on simmer. And I like pepper, lots and lots of pepper. Now we're going to put the lid on this and let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Depends on how you like your cabbage. If you like your cabbage cooked a little longer than that, you do you. But I like mine still just a little bit firm. And I cooked this for 10 to 15 minutes and voila. And y'all, I'm a Southern girl and I had to have my fried cornbread to go with this.